Hello everyone, Fountaine Pajot wishes to speak about sustainable transport because even if leisure boating represents a tiny share of all material and passenger transport, which is not our core business, we also have our share of responsibility in sustainable transport, whether through our boats, the movement of equipment circulating through our factories, or the travel of our employees. Fountaine Pajot relied on the carbon footprint assessment carried out in 2020 thanks to the international GHG protocol methodology. And to our great surprise, 80% of the impacts are linked to the propulsion of the boats. We are fortunate and proud to build boats that have a very long lifespan, so this 80% corresponds to a 40-year lifespan of the boats. On this occasion, we developed a hybrid electric propulsion system with alternatives energies, which has now been deployed for 3 years on our ODS EA Plus range of boats. The second major component of our carbon footprint, which accounts for 20%, concerns our purchasing activities. At Fountaine Pajot, we are also convinced that we cannot achieve things on our own. We need to deploy these engines on as many boats as possible. We are also working on resins, we are working on bio-based and recyclable materials, as well as everything that can be integrated into the boat, equipment that will also help the functionality of the boats, such as water treatment on board. So it is really through scale, across the entire nautical industry, that we will make progress. We are heavily committed to these 20% of purchases, working closely in strong partnerships with our suppliers. One of our approaches regarding carbon is that we do not do carbon offsetting. However, we work in collaboration with WWF, with strong sponsorship focused on the protection of Posidonia, because our boats anchor in these Posidonia zones in the Mediterranean. So it seemed important to us to work with our entire ecosystem, dealers and boat users, to raise awareness and help them understand the importance of this underwater flowering plant, Posidonia, in order to protect it. And then the second focus is our factories. In the jargon, this is called Scope 1 and Scope 2, on everything related to energy and the transformation of our factories. So we have already deployed numerous pieces of equipment that allow us to be more energy efficient and use a less fossil fuel-based energy mix. And then, of course, it's about waste management and bringing all our employees along with us, because they are truly our main resource. And we truly believe that it is the ecosystem acting together at scale that will make the difference. All our employees and all our suppliers will ensure that by 2030 and 2050, we reach our SBTi decarbonization targets.